All right, guys. If you have any issue with your sliding door for your minivan, especially Honda Odyssey, chances is, well, first check the fuse. The next thing you're gonna check is make sure the motor is actually okay. If it actually even tried to move, if it actually tried to move, but then it kind of gets stuck or get harder, then this tutorial most likely gonna be the fix. First, you gotta pop the tail light to expose one of the screw and another one actually at the front so you can remove the cover to expose the assembly, the roller assembly for the sliding door. All right, the next thing what you're gonna do is you're gonna open the sliding door only halfway, not all the way, because if you open all the way, then you won't be able to actually get to that panel, the cover over there. This one here, let me see, right there. So this one needs to come off, right? If you open the door all the way, you won't be able to get to it. So what you do is, that's a trick. The trick is you open the window. Let me show you. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna open the window all the way down, and then now you open the sliding door and check it out. You see, it won't go all the way, right? It's just gonna stop kind of halfway, right? Kind of halfway, and now you can actually remove it. Let me show you. So in order to remove this, you have to push forward. There you go. And then slide out. So now this thing here is exposed, and this is basically what we try to replace, right? It has two rollers, and then over time it worn out. It has the plastic or PEEK or whatever the material is, that essentially over time it actually worn out. So yeah, so just gonna replace that one. I bought the new one here. This is the new one. So I already replaced the other side, and I'll show you the old one looks like this. Okay, this is the old one. Now here's the problem. See how much of a movement this is? See, this thing wiggle too much. So too much. See? So it messed up the alignment, and it caused a lot of resistance. As compared to the new one, see, I can't even get it to move. So that's why. All right. Now, the new one basically have just the roller part. This piece here technically has two pieces. So one is this, and then you also have this bracket here that actually get bolted onto to the door. So as soon as you remove this one, the whole door will actually want to come down. So you have to support the whole door, which is actually pretty heavy, by the way. The door, you have to support the door with a jack, right? So that way, you know, when you remove this, you know, the jack is actually holding the jack stand or whatever that is, holding the door, the weight of the door, so it won't just come crashing down. Okay. See that? A lot of movement. See that? This thing wiggles so much, about to fall off. Yeah. Okay. All right. We talked about before. There are two pieces of the assembly. Now I'm actually swapping the bracket that actually attached to the door over to the new roller assembly. Just have to remove the pin and clean it while you can, right? And then put a little bit of grease and then put it back in. It's simple as that. Awesome. It was easy. All right, let's do a little bit of cleaning. This is the perfect time to do it. See how dirty it is? Okay. Okay. Alright, 不要关啊。Well, pretty much that's it. And then put it back together in the reverse order and test it. See how it operates. Make sure it's smooth. If not, maybe just need a little bit of adjustment, alignment, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Smooth like butter.